beautiful friends, welcome to my channel. This is Sabina here. If you are new here, welcome. Today's video is a very exciting video because I have never done this kind of video before. So today's video is a product that I want to share with you that I have been loving lately, and this product is sent to me. And first, like, I have never heard about this brand. When they reached out to me, I was very curious to know about this brand, right, before you said no. And when I looked into their website, I was amazed. There are so many brands there are that we don't know, but I'm so thankful that they reached out to me. They sent me 4 items in this box, and the product that I'm going to talk about is this inside the box. So the product inside this box is perfume. The brand is called Dossier. I have never heard that brand before, and when I looked into their website, I was amazed. I was really blown away that how their craftsmanship, where they made in France, and I was really amazed. This perfume company is inspired by our high-end luxury perfume. When I was reading about them, I was really amazed because these products are totally cruelty-free, vegan, no paraben. There's nothing nasty product inside this perfume. So I was really amazed. If you guys know me, I try to eat everything is organic. I try not to put anything in my skin, my hair, anything that has a nasty product. So when I read about them, I was really amazed at the ingredient they used in this product. So they let me pick 4 perfumes. It smells is very personal to everyone, and it's hard for me to pick without smelling. So I decided to pick because these perfumes are inspired by the high end. So it's into beautiful this cardboard box you can recycle. When you open it, I love the orange inside. And you guys know about me that I am the sucker of packaging. I buy things when they look beautiful too. So it comes with this little note card, and you can read back into the note card about the perfume, and it also says that inspired by Jo Malone. So this one is a Floral Pearl, and this perfume is inspired by Jo Malone. I do not have any Jo Malone perfumes, and when I saw this, I was like, pick this one. I personally do not like to buy anything dupes, but if the product is good and it does not have any nasty product, why not, right? You can save money because not everybody can afford to buy like $250 perfumes. Not everybody can spend like that much into perfume. So this company, I am so glad that they made this. Like, this was $29.99, and that if you go to their website, they always have a some kind of discount going on. So it comes into this box. So here is the perfume. I love this perfume. Is in glass jar. This is the Floral Pearl. If you don't have a note with you, it has a top note. It has all those ingredient inside here is right over here, and I love that. And it has this magnetic closure that also feels like very luxurious. And it comes with this, and it comes with this small sample packet. If you do not like the smell, you can try first this sample packet, and if you do not like the smell, then definitely you can return and you will get their money back. So that's really nice of them, and I really like the customer service. This one comes into this glass bottle, and this is 50 ml, so it's easy to travel. You can carry on 50 ml. I think you can carry on the hand carry too. So if not, then definitely you can refill in this one, and you can carry this one into your purse when you go to work or eat. Like, it's so easy. Let me smell this one. Let's spray this on me. Oh, I love this smell. It smells so good and fresh. Like, right now is spring, and this Floral Pearl is perfect for this season. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. I'm so glad that I found this company. I can't wait to order some more perfumes from them. So this one is the Floral Pearl. This one is inspired by Chanel No. 5. I have Chanel No. 5, so I want to see that does that smells really like Chanel No. 5 or no. And I don't need to be smell like the same, it's just inspired, like, So this one is inspired by Chanel No. 5, and this comes with also this little small bottle that you can try on. Oh my goodness, this smells exactly like Chanel number 5. Oh, this smells so good. In fact, like, you know, I like this glass jar. Like when I put this in my vanity, it's gonna look so beautiful. I know that. So this is Chanel inspired floral. If you go to their website and you go to pick the perfume, they will tell you which perfume is inspired by which one. Perfume is so important for me. I do not leave my house without spraying myself my perfume. One time I was going to work and I forgot to spray. I came back home, sprayed my perfume and went to work. That's how important perfume is in my life. So next one, let me open this one. This one is Fruity Honey. Let me tell you, this one is inspired by, oh, Jo Malone too. I never tried Jo Malone. That's the reason I order, like, you know, 2 of them from Jo Malone. So I love the card. You know, you can tell that which one, like, you know, inspired by which one, because you will forget and you don't have time to go to their website and look. So it's very convenient that you have this nice little card, and you can even spray the perfume in the card. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Let me spray here. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. I used the other one, the first one that I showed you, the Jo Malone one. I tried yesterday and it lasted so long. And also I'm not afraid to put that into my skin because this doesn't have any BS, and I am so happy that, you know, I can spray my skin and I don't have to worry that there is something bad things inside here. So good, so good. I love the smell. That smells so good. So next one is this Floral Peony. When I heard the name Peony, I just picked it because I love peonies. They're my favorite flowers. So it also comes with this little sample packet. All of this perfume comes with the sample packet, and definitely it has their card. This one is inspired by Chloe perfume. I'm very excited to try this one. I haven't tried this one, so let me spray. I don't know how the Chloe Peony smells. As long as this smells good and this lasts long and it doesn't have any nasty product, that's all matter to me, because these are all good product. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. You know, I'm so glad all the, oh my gosh, this is so good. This is so good. It smells. Guys, can you believe that all 4 perfume that I picked up is perfect for spring and summer? Oh my goodness, I can't wait to try this. It doesn't matter to me, like, you know, it has to be smell exactly like Chloe or exactly like Chanel number 5 or exactly like Dior. I don't care about that. Of course, they said the inspired by. As long as the smell is really good, it lasts long, and then the perfume ingredients is clean and does not have any nasty product, that's all matter, right? So I am so glad that I found this company, and I will write down everything down in the description box. You can order your own perfume. I'm not going to tell you that, oh, you have to order the same smells or things, because, you know, smells is very personal and we all have a different kind of like test on everything. So if you guys are looking for something that is a good product with a good price, then I would highly recommend this product from Dossier Perfume. I love my room right now. Smells like a floral, so beautiful. I know that when my husband will walk in and he will say like, what is this all smells? I'm so glad that they reached out to me and trying all this perfume, because I love perfume. Perfume is a very important part of my daily life. I do not leave my house without spraying myself a little perfume. These are my thoughts, and these are the perfumes from Dossier, the brand that if you have not heard, then go check their website. You would love it. And I will put everything down in the description box with the discount code. So if you want to order, then you won't regret it. I know that you won't regret it. You're gonna love it. So if you have tried this perfume, then let me know down in the comment below, and I would love to see which one you tried, and I want to try some more. Okay guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this my little perfume unboxing video. If you like so, then make sure you do thumbs up and be a part of my YouTube channel by hitting that red subscribe button down below. Stay safe, enjoy this beautiful weather. I love you guys.